Guys, creating one product ad is manageable. The real pressure starts when a brand needs several concepts, formats, and language versions without multiplying the production time and cost. A traditional shoot can become expensive very quickly, especially when every new audience or campaign requires another recording and edit. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at Wizstar, an AI content platform built for e-commerce and brand marketing. I'll test how it can turn one product idea into several ad versions without setting up multiple shoots. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, we are now inside Wizstar. The platform is built specifically for brand content, so it is not just about creating a random clip. It tries to understand what makes the product worth showing and keep it recognizable throughout the video. For this demo, I am using a fictional energy drink called Dindan. I add the page link, where the system can already find images of the can and a short description. My goal is simple, mates. I want Wizstar to study that page and turn the available information into a short social ad. I choose the e-commerce agent and select fast mode with Cadence 2.0. Since this content is meant for social media, I also go with the vertical 9:16 format. Then I describe the idea, an athlete holding the Dindan can and speaking directly to the camera in a natural advertising style. I also add a reference image to give Wizstar a clearer visual direction. Then guys, I send everything for generation. The agent reviews the available materials and asks for a little more product information. I use this as a quick optimization step and ask it to study the can and its visual identity more closely. Folks, this is where additional reference materials can make a real difference. Stronger images and clearer instructions help Wizstar keep the product, character, and overall scene closer to the intended creative direction. The agent updates the plan and gives me a short overview before generation. I check the direction, confirm everything, and let it create the first version. The result gives us a usable first concept, with the can clearly visible and a scene that matches the brand style.
When I'm in the zone, I need energy that keeps up, not a crash that takes me out. Dang delivers clean focus, no jitters, no burnout, just pure sustained power so I can stay locked in from start to finish. Dan, focus that lasts.
More importantly, the workflow makes it easy to refine the direction instead of starting the entire project again. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's try a stronger approach with video reference. Here I can choose an existing clip and recreate the same general idea with my own product. I select an example where someone holds an item and speaks directly to the viewer, which is much closer to the ad I had in mind. I click Recreate, and Wizstar keeps the overall feel of the original video. I can then replace the product and use my own character reference. So mates, I add the Dindan can and write a short line for the person to say. I also generate two versions because with AI video, I usually prefer comparing a couple of options.
This is how I dandan. This is how I stay focused. Stay focused. Perform without the crash. Need is for ration, not addition. Dwindan. That's the difference.
The first output is close, but the product placement feels slightly unnatural. The second version works better because the can is clearer and the pose feels more believable. Another advantage here is consistency. Wizstar helps keep the product and character recognizable across different scenes and versions, which matters when a brand needs several ads for the same campaign. So I choose that clip and move to lip sync. Folks, this lets me change the message without generating the entire video again. I add a short voiceover and test an English-speaking female voice. For this example, I'm using Evelyn because her voice fits the style of the ad. A few minutes later, the updated version is ready.
This is Dindan. One can, and you're locked in for hours. No sugar crash, no excuses, just steady focus when you need it most. Fuel your future.
The person now speaks directly to the camera, and the mouse movement looks better. From my side, this workflow gives me much more control. The reference footage sets a clear visual direction, while lip sync lets me test another message without rebuilding the scene. Now, friends, let's translate the same clip. I open video translation and upload the finished version. Wizstar detects English automatically, so I choose Spanish and enable the translated audio with lip sync. And now the same ad can work for another audience.
Una lata, concentrado, horas. Sin bajadas de azúcar ni excusas. Concentración constante en momentos clave. Crea futuro.
The voice changes to Spanish, while the character still looks consistent. Mates, I can also add subtitles, which is useful because many people watch short videos without sound. Behind the scenes, Wizstar brings multiple AI models into one creative workspace, including Cdance 2.0, Clean 3.0 Omni, and now Cdance 2.5. The newer model supports longer video generation and gives creators more control when working with references and complex scenes. And right now you can try Cdance 2.5 on Wizstar for just 99 cents. In this demo, that connected workflow helped us move from an initial concept to a stronger reference-based version and then adapt it for another market. So guys, that is how Wizstar can help brands create and test product ads faster. The main advantage is that you can produce several versions, adapt the same campaign for different languages, and keep the product and character consistent across the content. That gives marketing teams more room to test ideas without arranging a separate shoot for every new concept. I would still review the hands, product placement, and lip sync before publishing. But for faster ad production and localization, Wizstar can save both time and production costs. New users receive free credits, and the first subscription starts at $18. Subscribers also receive a 30-second AI agent experience. You can find the link in the description and more details under #Wizstar. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.